Welcome to the channel. My name is Fabio, and this is my build. Not done yet, but if you recognize it, it's the same Honda. I just wrapped it. I did it in a matte grayish color. It's not exactly the color I wanted, but it was. For me, at my cost, at my budget, this was the right color for it. So mods that I did, things that I did, obviously I wrapped the whole car. The last thing I did, I tinted the headlights, and yeah, the hood was my first time. You can see it on Instagram. There are a few things that didn't go that well. Because yeah, unfortunately, it was my first time, so it wasn't that bad. You can see a little discoloration around here from too much stretch. Yeah, that was kind of like the first mistakes that I did while I was doing this. So I and Joel, we did this part. This was the best part that we did together. I got a short video, a short time lapse on my Instagram, on our Instagram, fspecperformance. Check it out. We did this and it was flawless. The seams are well done. No bubbles, no nothing. It's just dirty right now. So. It came up very well, so I'm proud of it.
I think the roof is really smooth. You know, it just looks like new. If you check it like this,
yeah.
The lights are on. You see no scratches. You see no dents, no bumps, no nothing. It's really awesome for a car of what?
20 years.
20 years old.
I think
30 years. Sorry.
But it came out very nice, you know. What can I tell about it? Yeah, it's that's the reason I wanted to do a wrap. I wanted to make to have a different color, but at the same time I wanted to preserve the color or the same color of the car fresh. Not that it was that fresh, but. I think you know what I mean.
It's always difficult to show on a video what the car is like, what the color of the car is like.
Yeah.
But
you have to see it in real life, actually.
But you guys have seen the car when it wasn't wrapped, and I think the color is now so much better.
Definitely.
It's deeper gray. You know, the first gray was the Civic gray. We all know the color of the Civic.
It's like
originally. But this is really nice, really smooth.
If you want the reference of the color,
I would call this mouse gray.
Mouse. If you're interested in the color, the original color is the
NH95M.
Yeah, that's it.
Also, you can see the difference there with the doorpost. Here, this is the original color, so you can see the difference. You guys can see the difference here very well.
You got the seams. You can see we did the seams. No half-assing stuff. Properly done. Yeah, I took my time in this, so yeah. Okay, we got right here. I made my own wing on the base of the wing beneath. It looks a little bit ghetto with these stepping screws, but yeah, it's what it is.
This was your first try, right?
It was my first try. It was like a prototype thing. So I'm trying. I'm looking to improve myself in a lot of things. to becoming a better builder, car builder. If that makes any sense. Yeah, on the back I just wrapped it. Yeah, I wrapped this whole part and took the panel off to make it even look better, to make it more like it was the proper color. So hiding the original color to make it like it was the original color that came from the factory. That's mostly the objective of a color change in a wrap. So yeah, that's what I kind of wanted. This bumper, I eventually gonna change this bumper because it was a very cheap bumper that somebody had laid around. So I purchased it for like 30 bones, and the other one was just completely torn apart. So I had to have something to
Portuguese guy
to replace it with.
trying to talk English, mixing his Dutch.
English. Oh my god.
English. Can you?
Those people talking English. Yeah, another thing that I have going on here that I did recently, I ordered, if you zoom in a bit, I ordered a quick release. I didn't have the original brackets or original parts to fasten the bumper. So to make a demonstration, it's very simple, it's very common. So this is a quick release. It's very clean, very subtle. I like the subtle things. So yeah, just like this.
Looks great, right?
Looks great. Holds it up fine. Don't look at my my tires. I'm gonna change them up. This is for just rolling around the garage. And
So, what's the next thing you're gonna do to this car?
what's coming is an engine swap. Mainly, I wanted to make it a manual, and yeah, make it functional. Actually, to do one track day at least, and get a feeling of it, and get to know my car a little bit better. And from there, I want to concentrate on yeah, my suspension, and mostly brake suspension, and yeah.
Okay, cool. When are you going to do the swap?
I hope in January 2019 maybe.
Okay.
Or yeah, December is just around the corner, so no, I hope in January, February. Let's hope for January. But yeah, the season is already over, so if you're seeing this, it's in 21 of November 2018. So yeah.
In a couple of months, you should have received your motor, and you can start swapping.
I hope so.
But also, we have an EK to do, so we have lots of work to do.
We got a lot of things to do, yeah. And not to forget the EG. I don't know if you've seen the last our introduction. If you check our introduction, my introduction, you can see that I already started and bought the rear swap, rear brake swap, disc swap, it is a disc swap, and the front braking SIR VTI brake rotors. So brake spindles.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think that's gonna be a different video. I hope to do that shortly. But then there will be a lot more updates of all those cars in the channel. So keep an eye on this channel. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I have some few more things that I just remembered that I did to the car. I made my own side skirt. It's like a PCI inspired side skirt. It's a prototype. It looks a little bit ghetto-ish, and I'm trying, you know. I'm trying to make my own stuff. Eventually, I hope to go do some kind of stuff like CNC and a little bit more of my own stuff, own designs and stuff. So right here, I was. It's not done yet. It's because I was thinking about letting it like this, or leaving it black, or like the other half, just wrap it, do a full door handle wrap. So I think I'm going with the full door handle wrap, but I will show you a little footage of that, and later on maybe a how-to or something like that. We will see.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all for now.
That's all for now.
Just keep checking this channel.
Yep.
And
Subscribe.
keep watching. Subscribe.
Leave a like. If you like what you saw, do you have questions, please comment. I will happy to interact with you guys. And yeah, see you in the next.
Peace out.